welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to do a review of the Tower dinner plate set. I've got this from Amazon and they're quite beautiful. You have it in rose gold and white, and you have 4 of the dinner plates, which is dishwasher safe, and then you have the bowls, 4 of them as well. Very nice, very beautiful, rose gold and white. And then you have the side plates as well, 4 of them, very nice, very beautiful. And I've had it for a few months. I've used it for my Christmas dinner and it was truly beautiful on the table. They are very good and they are made by Tower and they are very durable. I would recommend this anytime, any day. I hope you've been able to enjoy this quick review on Tower dinner plates. So if you're looking for which dinner plate to get, I recommend the Tower one. And like I keep saying in most of my videos of reviews that I've done in the previous videos on Tower items, I have not been paid by Tower. I've just bought their products 2020 and I thought they were good, and this is 2021 January and I'm giving them a review of what I think so that my viewers will be able to know what to buy if they are trying to select which dinner plates they would want in their homes. It's dishwasher safe, it's very nice, and it doesn't break easily. So I love it and I would like to recommend it to you. Goodbye and see you again soon. Bye bye.